little bit of the offshore wind today, so hopefully we'll get the sails up. Awoken, whatever. Oh yeah, you gotta type those up. Oh, I hate to do that. Yeah.
Thank you. All right, Katie, you want to take this? I'm gonna go down. I gotta go check something down below.
Yeah.
You can go a little faster too.
Oh, that's why I came back. That's all right.
Oh. A bit of a difficult time winding it up, but I think that the wind of your that's very loud. Is this Mons? I'm assuming you left this on here? Yes.
Summertime! Summertime!
Alright, go down and head out into the wind towards that other sailboat out there.
Would you like to raise the sail, Dad?
Oh, you can do it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's good, like kind of like that. So I'll get it off this side. I'm not going to use this side. So, no, this you just let this one go.
Oh,
Pull this one.
yeah, sorry. I don't know what I'm doing. Clearly not. How far do you want her in?
Keep going.
Oh, it flies!
Well, this wind will chase him away.
See the back of the boat.
I know.
Here, give me the camera. The man behind the myth, the legend. There's the boat, the bay flies. We are swarming in the flies. America 250.
first sail of the year. But a little bit chilly. And it's supposed to be sunny today.
19th? Pretty late. Usually athletes move in early, but listen to these survival stories. Looking at the maps for the boom to see what was going on, but I didn't see any water dripping on you. keys? The key fob? Not yet?
Thanks again for taking the time to watch our videos. If you like this video, please remember to give us a like if you would. That really helps our channel. It works with the algorithm to let them know that the videos are being supported. And then also, if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything, but it sure does help out our channel. So we would appreciate a like, a subscribe, and a comment if you would. Thanks again, and we'll see you back out on the water.